Dear all, welcome to this session in the SQL payroll. If you remember the previous session, we finished how to set the company profile, how we do the stuff, biodata, and we run some like, let's say, getting extra pay, getting a bonus, getting cutting allowance or whatever. We manage most of this in our case study in the previous videos. Now we reach to the maintaining the leave. So in our question here, below the leave policy for the company for annual leave, medical leave, unpaid leave, and the maternity leave. What is asked from us? First, we have to create the leave type because normally when you go to the SQL and you go to the leave, maintain leave type, normally companies they have this three type of leave, which is annual leave, unpaid leave, and medical leave. But when the company having a female staff, they need to consider to add what we call it maternity leave. And this leave is just entitled for the female staff, which is giving 60 days maternity leave based on the rules and regulation of the government. So to add this one as leave type, as we mentioned, you have to go leave, you have to maintain leave type, then we put new. The code of this leave is ML, which is maternity leave. The description is MO. Caption is ML, is active and is entitled. Then you press save. So like this, you get tab number 4 of the leave. Second question, please edit and create the new leave type in system and assign the leave group to corresponding employees and maintain employee. What they are looking here, we have to make two groups of leave. The normal one or the default one is for all the staff, and the second one is for female staff because female staff they are entitled for extra type of leave, which we call it maternity leave. How we can manage this matter? First, we have to create the leave group. Let's close this one. Then we go to leave. We go to maintain leave group. Then we have the default leave group. Let's go and edit to check whether it's same as what we have here. So let's say for the annual leave, if we check, you see here the three dots, we can click and then see. From 1 to 2 is 8. Let me check. Yes. Then 3 to 4 is 12. 5 to 99 is 16. So yeah, it's okay, has no any issue. For medical leave, 1 to 2 is 14, 3 to 4 is 18, 5 to 99 is 22. And for the unpaid leave, we have the amount unpaid leave based on the default wage and custom days. Actually here the days between start and end date, but actually in our system here they will divide to 26 days. So we have just to take it like this and set that 26 days to modify our unpaid leave. Then we click OK, then we save. So like this we modify the default leave group. We have to create new leave group. So we click new. This group, the code of this group will be FML, which is female leave group, which as I mentioned earlier is different than the default one by having the maternity leave. So for this one, we have to add the annual leave, the normal entitlement. Actually, we have the, okay, just to make it easier, we can just delete. Let me just cancel. Yes. Then what we can do, maybe we can this is our default leave group. So when we go to browse, we try to copy, and then we okay, cannot be, then maybe edit as a new. So like this, if we edit this one, my main aim is to not copy or not create a new one. So let me just make sure that is save both. Yes. So like this, just when you want to edit this one, because you don't need to write again all the entitlement, which is a little bit like hectic. So you just when you click it, then you just edit as a new. Okay, so let's continue editing. The female is a female group. FML, it has same as the previous leaves, but added also the maternity leave. Then we just, we click edit, plus it's the maternity leave. The maternity leave is for the married female employees in this company entitled 60 days maternity leave. So the entitlement plus whatever it is, number of days are 60. So we don't need to write any number, because even if the female staff just joined last month, then now she delivered the baby, so she will be entitled for the maternity leave. So there is no setting for the days for years here. Then we just put okay. Okay, so she's from the time she's joining, she will be entitled for the maternity leave. So we just click save. So like this, we will have this female leave group. Then we have two leave group. Then what is asking us to assign those leave group for our staff from maintain employee. We go to the human resources, maintain employee. Then we go to, yeah, system is opening, just 1 minute. Okay. The default one is for Chen, Kumar, and Saiful, and yeah, she's a female, so she will get the female one. So Chen, we have to go double click, edit, then we go to the grouping. For the leave group, we have to select the default one for him, okay? Then save, then browse, we go to Yen. Yen, she's a female staff. So when we go for grouping, we want to set her with a female leave group, then save. Yes, I want to do this modification, browse. If we go to other two, we will see they're already set with a default group, so there is no issue with that, okay? So like this, we created the leave group. First we add the one leave type, which is the maternity leave. We created the leave group, then we assign it to our staff. After we finalize this one, please assign the correct leave group to corresponding employees and process the leave entitlement processor before record leave. So first, let's process this one, leave entitlement processor. This one to set the leave for each of our staff. So we need to do this step. Calculate. Then it's already here, then nothing need to be, just we process it, okay? So like this, each of our staff having his own leave entitlement. Okay, so this is the things. Then we go to set the leave for our okay. Then we go to, then we have some leave application. We have to manage it. Below is a leave application for employee in February 2019. Please record in leave application. So this is leave. We have leave application. We are working in year 2019. New leave application. Which employee is year? Okay. The year, apply leave. Then here we can see how many leaves she's entitled for. Then she took medical leave in 2nd day of February. We can add a new record. It's 2nd day of February 2019. This is February and 2nd day of February. The leave type is medical leave, MC. And day as time, we need to add a day as time. If you notice here we only have day, then we need to, when we click here to add more columns, we need to choose day as time, so she gets 3 hours only. Okay, then also yeah, she gets another one, which is in 5th of February. Also, we have to select February 5th is also MC, medical leave. Then is 1 day, then we click save. Done. Those leaves have been saved for a year. We need to add also Saiful. Anything for year? No. Then we go, we need to close this one. Then again, new leave application. So to which Saiful, okay, here apply leave. Then we have one unpaid leave for him before. I don't know why it's like written under his name. Okay. If you remember in our previous things, we have unpaid leave. Yes, Saiful has taken half-day unpaid leave. Remember that we recorded in our pending payroll, so it's normal to show up. Then we need to set, okay, Saiful, 12 February. We have new record, February 12th. This is February 12th. Then the leave type is unpaid leave. Then that is 1 day. Another things for Saiful, no. So let's save. Then again, let's go to close it. Then again, your application leave is for who? For Kumar. Kumar 2019 apply leave. Then in you we have 15 February 15. Okay. Type of leave is annual leave, 5 hours. Then we have another one for Kumar. It's 16 February. It's also annual leave, which is 1 day. Then we click, sorry, no more. Let me remove this one. Okay. Then we click save. Then we get a new one, which is also new leave application for Chen Choming. Apply leave is unpaid leave, 23rd of February. New record is 23rd of February. Let's go out. February and is 23rd. Is unpaid leave, UL. Then is half day, 0.5 per day, 0.5 day. Okay, so then we click save. Okay, then we're done with this. After that, please record in leave application. We already record. After complete the leave application, please process February month and payroll. So how we do that? We just go to payroll, new payroll, final February 2019. Yes, then month end, process. We are done. Okay, so what is requested after? Then just do backup and send me the file, and I hope everything is clear till here. Like this, our SQL payroll already done. Thanks for all the things. I do believe that you need to know some information more about the EBF, about the SOXO, BCB, and all of this, which all available in your user guide, which is being shared with you. I know the rules from day to day or from year to year cannot change the percentage of all of it, but at least you have to understand what does it mean. Maybe sooner or later you get on to graduate and get a job, so you have to know what does every deduction happening from your salary going where and creating what type of obligation on you or rights for you. So please get ready to be staff anywhere and know how to read your payslip and understand each single cent has been deducted from your salary goes where. Have a good day, take care of yourself, and maybe I will see you later in another software. Bye bye.